If anyone encounters an issue where on this screen over here it says decoder off and it just says PCM and there's nothing that you can do about it, the only way that I've found to fix that is by actually factory resetting the amplifier. This is, the AV receiver. This is a Yamaha model, but I don't know how it works on other models. Now, to try and factory reset it to bring it back to normal and remove that PCM wording on the screen here, what you need to do is you need to find the straight button, straight effect, and you need to hold that down. So I'm just going to do that now. And then what you need to do next is hold down the power button. You need to do this while it's off. And then you let go of both of them. So what happens next is you need to turn the program dial anti-clockwise, and you only do this for one click. There we go. Now, what this means in it is basically once the receiver starts up, this is the first thing that it will initialize. And right now it says cancel, as in it's not going to run anything. Well, we need to actually change that to make it, hard reset. And to flick through the options, we go back to the straight effect button. You just click through the options until it says all. All stands for basically resetting everything. If you look at the options again, this resets the parameters, this resets the video settings, and this resets everything. Now, to basically engage it, make it reset everything now that we've selected all, what you need to do is just turn it off and then turn it back on. And that's it, it will reset everything. However, since I've already reset it and that already removed the PCM and decoder off text, I'm not gonna do that for you guys, but you'll need to do that yourselves. I hope that helped, and that's everything. Oh, and if you want to just get out of this menu, just go back to cancel, and that's it. Just turn it off, then turn it on, and everything will be back to normal. That is if you don't want to reset it.